welcome back. So in today's video I will be sharing this look with you, and yeah, this is like so easy yet again, and I only use 2 eyeshadows to create this look, and I just hope you enjoy watching. Let's begin. So I will start with the inside primer, and I will take this primer and put it all across my face, but I'll mostly focus it on my nose, my forehead and on my chin. Next, going in with a Wet n Wild foundation. This is actually not that full coverage, it's light to medium coverage, and it's a good everyday wear foundation, plus you can always find it on discount. I mean, I remember getting this just for 350 or 400 rupees, and it's a good everyday foundation if you're looking for one. However, I did go in with just a little more on my cheeks and on my chin because I have some acne marks there. Next, going in with a Wet n Wild concealer, and I have actually really enjoyed this concealer in the past, and that is why I got another one of it, but I don't know if they changed the formula or something, but I am not enjoying this particular tube as much. Next, I'm going in with a brush and picking up some powder. This is by K Beauty, and I am putting it everywhere that I have applied my concealer. Next, going in with the bronzer. This is by Sugar, and oh, it's a contour, yeah. So I'm just contouring my face, around my ear, on my jaw, and I just blend a lot, and this is in 2x, so just to save you some time. Next, going in with this blush, which is from Wet n Wild. It's their ombre blush, and you have to go in with a very heavy hand for this one because it does not have a lot of pigmentation, but it looks pretty in real life, but on camera it hardly shows up. I dusted off the excess powder with a fluffy brush. Now going in with a NYX palette, and I'm putting the brown shade all over my lid, but mostly focusing it on my crease. Next, going in with the City Mini palette by Maybelline, and I'm taking the darker shade and I will apply it all over my lid. And I will take a fluffy brush again, and I will just blend those two colors together. I will clean it up with a concealer. Then I will go in with the same two shades from the NYX palette and the Maybelline palette and put it on my lower lash line. So of course the key here is to blend it, and I was not looking out for a very pigmented look. I wanted a blown out look, hence I did not apply too much of it. Next, I'm going in with the Etude House brow pencil, and I am just filling in my brows. And then using a spoolie and brushing it. Then I actually went in with some blush on my nose because I feel it looks pretty cute. Try it sometime. I will then go in with the highlighter, and I'm taking my favorite highlighter as always, the Precious Petal highlighter from Wet n Wild, and I'm applying it on the highest points of my face. I always apply it on my cupid's bow and on the tip of my nose. And then I'll block you with my mirror. Then I'm going in with a golden shade and applying it on my inner corner, and I'm using circular motions for the inner corner highlight because I feel that works the best. Then going with the same shade on my brow bone. And now time for mascara. This one is from Rimmel. Then I applied a lipstick. It is from Maybelline. It's the Creamy Matte in the shade Nude Nuance. Then I actually take a highlighter and also put it on my shoulder. I do that whenever I'm wearing a off shoulder dress. It looks really pretty. And then I sprayed my makeup fixer. Was it, and this eye look is like so easy yet so beautiful at the same time, and I've been really enjoying wearing this eye look lately. And yeah, happy new year. Can you believe 2020 is like almost over, almost nahi, it's over. And oh my god, it was such a roller coaster ride, but I'm glad we made it through. And are you someone who has New Year's resolutions? Because I do. And I completed all of my 2020 resolution except for one, and I was not able to complete that particular one because it was not in my hand and I was not able to complete it because of the pandemic. But I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that I would be able to complete in 2021. And I don't know, just let me know in the comments down below, are you someone who, you know, keeps New Year's resolution, or you like to take it one day at a time? Let me know what is your take on it. And yeah, I just hope that the coming year treats all of us well. And I would also like to thank everyone who keeps up with me and who watches my videos, and especially those who are not interested in makeup or skincare but you still watch me because you want to support me, and that really means a lot to me, and I just wanted to thank you for that. Okay, with that we have come to the end of this video, and I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing before you leave, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.